Hello everyone, we're going to start with question number 25, and here we have to find the major product by the following reaction. So here we have a ring in which bromine is attached to it. So it is reacted with NaOMe upon MeOH. So we know that CH3O- is a strong base and strong nucleophile. So favorable condition is SN2 by E2. Given alkyl halide is O2 to the power 0 and beta C's in 4 to the power 0 and 2 to the power 0. So sufficiently hindered, therefore E2 dominates over SN2. Also, polarity of CH3OH solvent is not high as H2O, so E1 is also dominated by E2. Therefore, this will be our beta, this will be our alpha. So first hydrogen will attack at the beta and bromine. So here C will bounce to bromine, and at an degree 4 it will come out. Therefore, our major product will be double bond without bromine. So the answer will be 1. Thank you everyone.